Hi, I'm Rhea, and you're watching Rhea Speaks, where we learn real-life English with confidence. Let's get started. Have you ever seen words like bat, flower and flower, or lead, and wondered why English is so confusing? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most English learners think homonyms, homophones, and homographs are exactly the same, but they're not. By the end of this video, you'll never confuse them again. Plus, we'll do a fun quiz to test your understanding. So let's begin. Let's start with homonyms. A homonym is a word that has more than one meaning, but the spelling is the same. Let's understand with examples. Examples: bat, cricket bat; bank river, bank money; jam traffic, jam fruit; ring jewelry, ring phone; watch look, watch clock; bark dog, bark tree; match game, match stick; park garden, park car; light brightness, light not heavy; nail finger, nail metal. See? Same spelling, but different meanings. Now let's move to homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, but have different spellings and different meanings. Here are 10 common examples. Flower, flower; sea, sea; right, right; sun, sun; pair, buy, buy; one, one; night, night; here, there. These words sound identical, but writing the wrong one can completely change the meaning. Now comes the trickiest one: homographs. Homographs are words that have the same spelling but their meaning changes, and sometimes even the pronunciation changes. Examples: lead to guide, lead, metal; wind, air, wind to twist; tear, cry, tear, rip; row, line, row, fight; bow, greeting, bow, weapon; bass, fish, bass, low sound; minute, 60 seconds; minute, very small; object, thing; object, oppose; present, gift; present, introduce; desert, dry land; desert, leave. That's why pronunciation depends on the meaning and the sentence. Question 1. Flower, flower. A. Homonym. B. Homophone. Answer: homophone. Question 2. Bat. A. Homonym. B. Homograph. Answer: homonym. Question 3. Lead, guide. Lead, metal. A. Homonym. B. Homograph. Answer: homograph. Question 4. C. A. Homonym. B. Homophone. Answer: homophone. Question 5. Bank, money, bank, river. A. Homonym. B. Homograph. Answer: homonym. Let's revise everything in less than 1 minute. Homonyms, same spelling, different meanings. Homophones, same pronunciation, different spelling and meaning. Homographs, same spelling, different meanings, and sometimes different pronunciation. Now you know exactly how to identify each one. If this video helped you understand one of the most confusing English topics, don't stop here. Subscribe to Rhea Speaks, because every week we learn practical English that's easy to understand and easy to use in real life. Now tell me in the comments, which one confused you the most? Homonyms, homophones, or homographs? Thanks for watching Rhea Speaks. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next English lesson. Keep practicing and keep speaking with confidence.